In the rolling prairie lived some horses, with strong harmony, a fraternity of noble forces. In the prairie, one stood, powerful and grand, his coat as black as midnight across the land. Eyes deep as the endless sky, a majestic brand. Mane flowed like silk in the breeze, oh, so grand. One sunny morning, the horses convened for a race, lined up with hooves pawing the ground in their place. Swift and unbound, he set a rapid pace. When the signal was given, a thunderous sound they chase. He raced with his heart full of fire, aiming to be first, never to tire. The other horses neighed and cheered. As they spurred him on, his spirit steered. As the sun dipped low, casting its golden hue in the world's gentle rhythm, the sky's soft blue. Together they stood. What a majestic view! Horses find joy in what they commonly do. Under the starry night they gathered, finding peace. Competition didn't lessen joy, it only increased. For common pleasures they celebrate, love won't cease. In the world of horses, harmony and fraternity find release.